Hey guys, welcome to WatchClickBuy. Looking for the best dash cam under $100? These budget-friendly options deliver high-quality video recording with features like full HD resolution, wide-angle lenses, and G-sensor technology for crash detection. Many models also offer loop recording, parking mode, and simple installation. Perfect for everyday drivers seeking safety and peace of mind without breaking the bank. Explore top-rated dash cams that provide excellent performance at an affordable price. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find it out. 5. The pelsee P1 Duo 4K dash cam is a powerful dual camera setup that captures crystal clear 4K front and 1080p rear video with wide-angle coverage, ensuring reliable footage for any driving scenario. Its built-in Wi-Fi and app control make it easy to preview, share, and edit your travel moments directly from your smartphone. With voice-activated controls, night vision, 24-hour parking surveillance, and a G-sensor for impact detection, this dash cam prioritizes both convenience and safety. A 64GB memory card is included, supporting seamless loop recording, while a user-friendly 1.5 IPS display offers intuitive control and quick access to key features. 4. The Nextbase 222 dash cam offers sharp 1080p HD recording at 30 fps, capturing every important detail on the road with a wide 140 degrees viewing angle for comprehensive coverage. Its intuitive 2.5-inch high-resolution screen allows you to review footage with impressive clarity, while the innovative Click-and-Go Pro mount makes setup a breeze with its magnetic connectors. Equipped with intelligent parking mode, it automatically records any bumps while parked, and the G-sensor locks critical footage during accidents to protect it. With features like loop recording and night vision, the Nextbase 222 ensures reliable, high-quality footage in any situation. 3. The THINKWARE F70 Pro dash cam offers high-definition 1080p video with wide dynamic range, WDR, for clear, vibrant footage, even in low light. Its compact design includes advanced features like super night vision, safety camera alerts, and an integrated thermal protection system for reliable performance in extreme temperatures. The dash cam also boasts anti-file corruption to prevent data loss, continuous loop recording, and smart parking modes for extra security when parked. Bluetooth connectivity allows easy pairing with the THINKWARE app for seamless control, while the optional GPS antenna adds speed and red light camera alerts for enhanced driving safety. 2. The Rexing V1 to 4K Ultra HD dash cam provides stunning 2160p video quality with a discreet design that makes it an unobtrusive witness on the road. Its 170 degrees wide-angle lens captures a broad view, while wide dynamic range, WDR, optimizes footage in varying light conditions. Equipped with a supercapacitor, this dash cam is built to withstand extreme temperatures, ensuring reliable performance. The parking monitor feature allows for automatic recording when vibrations are detected, and the app integration offers wireless viewing and sharing of footage. With loop recording and G-sensor technology, important footage is protected and safely stored, giving you peace of mind on every drive. 1. The ROVE R2 4K dash cam offers crystal clear 4K video recording, ensuring detailed footage day or night with its super night vision technology. Featuring built-in Wi-Fi 6, GPS, and a 150 degrees ultra-wide angle lens, it provides seamless connectivity, real-time location tracking, and wide coverage of your surroundings. The dash cam also includes advanced features like a G-sensor, parking mode, emergency video lock, and loop recording, ensuring continuous and reliable video capture. With compatibility for both Android and Apple devices and support for up to 512 GB of storage, the ROVE R2 4K is an ideal choice for personal, rideshare, truck, and RV drivers.